Bauxite, also known as bauxite, is generally formed by chemical weathering or exogenesis. There are few pure minerals, always contain some impurity minerals, more or less containing clay minerals, iron minerals, titanium minerals, and detrite heavy minerals, and so on. Often used in ball pressing machining. Bauxite ball press is simple in structure, but can play a larger role. The equipment is very stable, the overall rigidity is strong. Inclined iron pressure structure, mainly in the non-hydraulic, constant pressure ball press used. Convenient structural adjustment, will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the lead screw inclined iron downward movement, backloading another inclined iron to the floating roller to provide a fixed thrust. In order to make the roller work normally for a long time, there is a reaction spring device installed on the frame and a sliding track. Bauxite ball press, if the pressure is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure that the mechanical equipment can operate normally.